Hey, what's up guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today we're taking a look at a USB desktop PC microphone. So this was sent out to me by the company called Fifine. So big shout out to them for sending this over. I've worked with them before with their microphones and they make some great products. So today we got the K683A desktop microphone. We're going to jump into this box, take a look at it and see what we got. So let's go. Okay guys, so we're back in. Let's take a look at a few of the features and details of this microphone. Like I said, this is the Fifine USB desktop PC microphone, and this has a pop filter. This is for computer and Mac. Studio condenser mic with gain control, mute button, headphone jack for gaming, streaming, recording, YouTube, and it comes with an extra USB-C plug as well. This is the K683A model. There's a nice picture of it there. You guys see the price on it is $52.99. I will drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So a few of the other features and details: studio quality audio, unidirectional condenser mic, captures crystal clear audio for podcasting, streaming, dictation, and voiceover. Easy to use controls. You have a headphone jack as well. It comes with a pop filter, 6.56 feet USB-B to USB-A-C cable. So those are a few of the features and details. The link will be in the description, guys, if you want to pick this up. So here's the box that it comes in. All right, guys, so this is the box, designed and engineered by Fifine. You can pause that and read that also. So let's get into the box, man. Check this thing out. There's a piece of tape here. Let's get that cut. All right, so let's see what's in the box. All right, so the first thing we got here, guys, we got some literature here. Thank you for being a valued customer. You got your user's guide here, which tells you how to put the mic together, all sorts of things, how to set up to your computer and that kind of stuff. Let's get into the box some more. So here's the mic. Let's take a look at the mic. So here's the mic. Woo, has a little heft to it. This is metal. This is plastic down here, but this is metal up here. It has a nice heft. So there's the microphone, headphone jack there. And here's your gain control up front. And you also have your mute button right there. And we'll take a look at this some more. There's some branding. And this is all metal up here as well. So let's see what else is included in the box. All right, that's the box. So here we have a black box. Let's get into this. All right, that's everything in the box. So you get your pop filter. Here's your pop filter. Now this has some elastic bands. That's how you're going to put it over the top of the mic. You got your tripod for your desktop here set up. Here it is, nice little tripod. You get some type of adapter here, 3/8 to 5/8 adapter for boom arm. In case you want to buy your boom arm, you already have the adapter. And then this is your cord right here. So you should have this end that goes into the mic. You got a type C and a type A as well. So that is great. Comes with two different ends on it. So you can use it either way. So let's go ahead and put this thing together. Okay guys, to assemble this, it's pretty easy. You take your tripod and you drop it, screw it right into the bottom of this. Just like so. And then this is where your this end of your cable is going to go. And then if you wanted to use your pop filter, so that's how it's going to look there. Now this is, you can reposition this wherever you want. Just loosen up this screw here and you can move this forward or back wherever you want it. Tighten it back down to lock it in. So if you wanted to use your pop filter, you just simply slide it over the top. They have these little elastic bands here, and you just pop it over the top just like that. So there's your pop filter in place, just like that. There it is. You guys see? So now you would take your cable, simply plug it in under the bottom like this, and then you'll run this to the other end, whether you're going to use it on your camera, your computer, laptop, or wherever. That's where you will run this other end. So let's go ahead and get it hooked up and we'll try it out. Okay guys, so this is the onboard mic on the Sony ZV-1. I have the record level at about 26. Next I'm going to plug in the Fifine K683A, and then we'll do a comparison to see how it sounds in comparison to the onboard mic. So let me go ahead and plug in the mic, Fifine mic, and try it out. Okay guys, so this is the Fifine mic now. The gain is at about a quarter ways up, and as you guys see, I'm sitting maybe about a foot, a little bit more than a foot away from it. Gonna bring it up to about halfway, so that's halfway on the gain on the Fifine. And as you guys see, I have it angled up a little bit here, talking right at it. So now I have it about 3/4 of the way up, and this is the sound that you're gonna get out of it. And next, we're gonna go ahead, and that's 100% up on the gain on the Fifine, and that's what you get. So I'm gonna press the mute button and see if it works. So I just turned the mute back off, and you should be getting my volume now, my voice. Now I'm gonna bring it back to about a quarter away. And from my testing and listening to it a little bit, I think a quarter away was best. I'm going to turn it all the way down to see if you guys can hear me. That's completely off. And I'm going to start talking again. As you guys see, when you bring it all the way down to 0, you're not going to be able to hear anything. So a little bit closer to the mic, a little bit closer, a little bit closer. This is a quarter of the way. This is at halfway, and about 3 inches away from the mic. That's 3/4 of a way, and that's 100% on the gain. And we're going to bring it back to about right there. That's a quarter of the way, as you guys see. So this is the sound that you're going to get from the Fifine K683A. If you don't hook it up, use it with some software. Now you can go and download some software to your computer or PC or Mac, and you can add filters and control your mic a little bit better like that. But this is what you're going to get right out of the box, going into your camera or whatever else you want to use. So all right guys, let's finish off the video. All right guys, so this has been my look at the Fifine K683A microphone. As you guys see how it sounds right out of the box. You can hook this up to your Mac and your PC, download software where you can maybe control and add filters and improve on the sound of the mic as well. Here's the front of it here. As you see, when it has power, it's going to have a green light. When you mute it, it's going to turn red. The pop filter simply comes off like that, and this is the look of the mic. And remember that you have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack in the back as well. The K cord that comes on it is pretty long, as you guys see. And so that is it, guys. So I will drop the link in the description below if you guys want to pick this up. Wheels, Gadgets, and More. I'm out.